Have you ever felt like maybe I'm the problem? Like you're the problem? Not the behavior that you have going on, but that you yourself are the problem? Let's talk about the shame that no man wants to admit. Guys don't even like talking about this stuff. Give me just the next couple minutes here and I'll show you why shame has been running your life silently, and the first move you can make very, very quickly to just break its grip, right? If you want help walking through this, The Real Fight is a short field guide book that I wrote for men. It gives you the exact shame profile card and the confession conversation script that frees men from secrecy fast. Hey, my name is Mike, and I have been training men to break strongholds. Fear, shame, doubt, scarcity, the invisible forces that quietly hollow out good men. So in every video, I like to give you something that you can use today to reclaim your strength. No, there's no selling here. There's nothing to buy, just truth and tools. So what's the problem? Most men think they're carrying stress, anger, and pressure. They're not. They're carrying shame. It's the belief that something is wrong with me. Not with their decisions, not with their past, but with them. Shame is the story that you don't want told, right? And the longer it stays silent, the more power it takes. Here's how shame usually shows up in a man's life. You know, if some of this stuff resonates, let me know. Avoiding hard conversations. Hiding small lies just to keep the peace. Numbing at night, drinking, substances, other vices. Overworking to outrun guilt. It's pretty common. Snapping in moments that don't deserve it. Panicking when you feel exposed. And feeling unworthy of rest, connection, or even forgiveness. You know, guys might call this a self-discipline problem, but really it's a self-worth problem, right? And shame isn't logical. It's neurological. Shame shuts your voice down. It triggers fight or flight behavior. That was something that was huge for me. It makes you isolate. It convinces you that weakness equals disqualification. It turns human mistakes into identity verdicts. Shame doesn't need truth to survive. It needs silence. Shame thrives in silence. So I've got 3 simple steps that I'll just kind of throw out here for you that you can run with today. Step number 1 is write the shame sentence. This is what it looks like. It's the one thing you've been avoiding. It usually starts with, I'm embarrassed that, I'm ashamed that, or I'm tired of hiding this. You know, fill in the blank, whatever it is after each of those statements. And then put a period in it. This is your first break in the stronghold. We're just dragging it into the light of day, right? Step number 2 is to separate identity from behavior. And say this out loud. What I did is not who I am. Your action is not who you are. What's happened in the past is not who you are. The thing that is causing you to be shameful is not who you are. So we separate the identity from the behavior by saying, what I did is not who I am. Shame collapses when you stop letting mistakes name you, right? It's simple. Step number 3, tell one trusted person the truth. This is the confession conversation. It's short, simple, powerful. But when you speak the shame story out loud, the secrecy collapses and your nervous system stabilizes. I want to tell you why this works. Because shame thrives in the dark. It evaporates in the light. The moment you stop protecting the lie stops controlling you. If you want the exact confession script that has freed a whole pile of men, it's inside The Real Fight. It's yours, because no man should fight shame alone. And I'm just comment down below if you want a copy of it, and I'll send it over to you. The script does two things instantly. The first thing it does is it breaks secrecy, and the second thing it does is restores your dignity. And dignity is where momentum returns. Hey, if you like that, comment down below. I'll send you a copy of The Real Fight. Get these simple tools for yourself and a whole lot more. Appreciate you being here.